10 budget-friendly travel hacks. Ever wish to go on a trip without spending too much money? Imagine exploring new places, trying delicious local food, and making wonderful memories, all without hurting your wallet. Well, get ready because we're about to share some awesome tips for affordable travel that anyone, whether you're new to traveling or not, can use. These easy tricks will change the way you think about exploring the world. Ready to find out how to make your travel dreams come true without spending too much? Let's get started. 1. Travel at off-peak hours. Selecting off-peak seasons for your travels is one of the easiest but most efficient strategies to reduce your spending on airfare. Peak travel seasons, such as holidays and summer vacations, are generally associated with price increases for popular tourist locations. Choosing off-peak times allows you to escape crowds and score amazing discounts on lodging and activities. Travel to these places in the shoulder seasons when there are fewer tourists and the weather is still pleasant. You'll not only have a more tranquil experience, but you'll also discover deals on lodging, activities, and even airfare. In addition to stretching your budget, off-peak travel offers the opportunity to find undiscovered jewels away from the bustle of popular tourist seasons. 2. Alternatives for accommodation. Instead of spending a fortune on hotels, think about staying in hostels, guest houses, or vacation rentals. There are many inexpensive options available on websites like Hostelworld and Airbnb that provide distinctive local experiences without sacrificing comfort. Choose to stay in a homestay or guest house owned by locals to get a deeper understanding of the culture. These solutions are not only more affordable, but they also provide a more genuine experience that enables you to interact with the community. In addition, take into account options for house sitting, where you may stay in someone's home for free in exchange for taking care of their belongings. 3. Mastery of public transportation. Learning to use public transit efficiently makes visiting new places more affordable. Subways, trains, and buses are a better option than pricey taxis or rental automobiles. Additionally, a lot of cities provide visitors with inexpensive travel permits that provide them unrestricted use of public transportation. Before you get there, learn about and become acquainted with the local public transit system. This not only saves you money, but also allows you to meet people and get a more genuine sense of the place. Additionally, many cities have bike-sharing programs that provide you with an economical and environmentally responsible method to get around. 4. Adaptable flight lookups. Use adaptable search engines and tools to find the greatest flight bargains. You may get the cheapest flight by comparing costs across several dates using websites like Skyscanner and Google Flights. To save a lot of money, don't be afraid to change your trip dates. Plan your trip with flexibility and take advantage of resources that let you visit neighboring airports. You may occasionally save a significant amount of money by flying into a nearby airport and using public transit to your ultimate destination. For the greatest offers, think about scheduling one-way tickets with many airlines. 5. Travel light and wisely. Pack light to save money on luggage fees and expedite your trip. Select outfits that are adaptable and can be combined, and don't forget to pack basic necessities like a small first aid kit and a reusable water bottle. Effective packing not only helps you save costs on your trip, but it also improves your enjoyment. Invest in high-quality travel accessories, like a robust and lightweight backpack or suitcase. Since many low-cost flights have tight luggage regulations, packing little will guarantee you don't pay more. To save weight and space in your suitcase, pack your bulkiest items, such as a jacket or pair of sneakers, when you fly. 6. Local food experiences. Discover street markets and reasonably priced restaurants to fully immerse yourself in the local way of life. Savor real cuisine at a fraction of the price by avoiding the tourist traps. This enhances your travel with taste and supports neighborhood businesses. Look into neighborhood markets and street food sellers for tasty and reasonably priced lunches. Steer clear of eating in touristy places because the costs are usually inflated. Talking to residents and visiting the restaurants they suggest can not only improve your dining experience but also introduce you to the essence of the place. 7. City passes and complimentary events. Discounted passes that grant entry to many attractions at a lower cost are available in many cities. Look into and purchase city passes based on your interests. Additionally, take advantage of free events and places to visit, such as parks, walking tours, and museums with free entry days. Public transit is frequently included in city passes, so you may save money on both transportation and attractions. Benefit from the free walking or city tours provided by enthusiastic local guides who love to share their experience. In addition to being reasonably priced, parks and outdoor areas provide an opportunity to unwind and take in the scenery. 8. Reward and cashback programs. Make the most of your discounts by taking advantage of credit card cashback and rewards programs, as well as travel-related applications. You may save money on travel expenditures by taking advantage of the cashback programs offered by many financial institutions, which you can then use on your next journey. Select credit cards that provide benefits connected to travel, such as cashback on lodging, airfare, and other travel-related costs. Travel insurance and other benefits are also included with certain cards, which might improve your experience traveling on a tight budget. To optimize your savings and benefits, keep a watch on incentives and promotions. 9. Comparison of travel insurance. While you shouldn't discount the significance of having travel insurance, you also shouldn't choose the first policy you find. Choose the most affordable, comprehensive travel insurance by comparing rates and coverage offered by various companies. This preventive step guarantees peace of mind without becoming unaffordable. Take into account the particular requirements of your travel, including medical coverage, protection against trip cancellation, and compensation for misplaced or stolen property. It is simple to compare several travel insurance policies according to your needs and budget with the help of online comparison tools. Travel insurance can save you money in the long term by offering financial protection in the event of unanticipated events, even if it may first appear like an extra price. 10. Take advantage of the sharing economy. Make use of the sharing economy to save costs. Taking advantage of the sharing economy enables you to save costs while enjoying the advantages of teamwork, from ride-sharing services like Uber and Lyft to shared lodging and collaborative workplaces. For short trips inside a city, consider ride-sharing alternatives as they are frequently more affordable than regular taxis. If you must work while traveling, take into consideration co-working spaces, which offer an affordable substitute for overpriced hotel business centers. Additionally, you may divide the expense of long-distance travel by taking advantage of shared trips offered between cities through platforms like BlaBlaCar. Conclusion. Accessible travel is a reality that only has to be accepted. It is not merely a pipe dream. You won't have to break the bank by using these 10 low-cost travel tips to expand your horizons and explore new opportunities. So go ahead and open the doors to a reasonably priced adventure, allowing the voyage to improve both your spirit and your budget. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment for more travel advice. We appreciate you coming along on this thrilling adventure with us.